Hello, this is Bima Hero and back with a problem and back with a new topic of optional math class 10 from unit 1 algebra about types of function. So here we'll be discussing about the types of function under which we have got onto function and another we have got into function. So first of all we'll be discussing what is onto function, then later on we'll move towards into function. For that we have got here the definition at first. The function in which codomain is equal to range is called onto function. Right? Yeah, we should have to know that codomain must be equal to range. If that happens, in the previous video we have learned about codomain and range. Okay, just my case here, codomain and range, it may not be equal to each other. They are different to each other. They have got different meaning. And छोटे meaning लाग्थ्यो. त्यसलाई के छ यदि के भयो इक्वल छन् भने at the last we have taken the example and equal भएको in the previous video. If you haven't checked out that, then I'll leave that in the description box and in the I button in the right hand side. Then you can check out that also. So दुईटा के भयो इक्वल भयो भने we can call that as onto function. अब इक्वल कसरी हुन्छ? So for that look at here 1, 2 and 3. Right, we have got x component or element of a. Right, the x component of function and element of a as 1, 2 and 3. It is connected with 1, 4 and 9. Right, which is the element of b. That is the y component of b. Now here domain is equals to, we have known all the x component is domain 1, 2, 3. That is the example, that is the element of domain. Similar to codomain, it is 1, 4 and 9. All the y component is codomain 1, 4 and 9. Similar to range, that is the image of the element of a. The image of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9. So every element has got an image like 1, 4 and 9. So that is the, we'll write the image here, range equal to 1, 4 and 9. So if you can see there, you can see here that okay na codomain के छ range सँग equal भइरहेछ 1, 4 and 9. They are equal to each other. So that's why it can be called as onto function. कसरी? Because it is following the rule codomain is equals to range. Now similarly here a, 1, 2 and 3. These are the x component of the function 1, 2 and 3, while y component is 4 and 5. So x component domain equals to 1, 2 and 3. Y component, that is the codomain 4 and 5. Similar range equals to the image of the element of a. Right, it is 1 has the image 4, 2 has the image 4. So 4 has been the common image of 1 and 2. So one image is 4 while another image will be 5. So we're writing here 4 and 5. While if you look at here, the element of codomain and range, they are equal to each other. Either they have got the same elements. So that's why it can also be called as onto function, right, following this rule. Similarly now we have got into function, just the opposite. The function in which codomain is not equal to range is called into function. Right, यसमा के हुन्छ codomain range equal हुँदैन, it is doesn't equal. Right, this is the sign of doesn't equal. Similar example, let's take the same type of example 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So domain is equals to x component 1, 2 and 3. We know that already. Codomain is equals to 4, 5, 6 and 7. Look at it. Right, this is the y component. 7 is not connected with a either, but it is still the y component. तर यो y component नै हो हैन. 4, 5, 6 and 7 भयो. The range के छ? We should have to look at the image of the element of a. 1 को image कति छ 4. Okay, we have written here 4. 2 को image के छ 5. Yes, we have written here 5. 3 को image के छ, we have got here 6. So yes, 6. While 7 is not the image of anything. 7 के छ भने connected छैन नि त. It is not connected with anything in a. That's why के भयो 7 is not a range because it is not the image of element of a. That's why के छ it differ from the codomain. Codomain and range won't be equal in this type of function. So that's why this is called into function. Either similarly here we have got domain is equals to, if you look at the example 1, 2 and 3 are the domain, while codomain, that is the y component, all the y component which lies in this circle, either that is 4 and 5, that is codomain, while range is only 4. Either all I have got the image 4. So that's why range is only 4, while 5 is not the image of anything. कसैको पनि इमेज हैन नि त. 5 कसैसँग पनि कनेक्टेड छैन है. त्यही भएर के हो, it is not the image of anything. So that's why range is only 4. And if you compare the codomain and range, you can see that their element are not equal. That's why it is also a int function having codomain not equal to range. Right? So this was for today, and hope I'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye.